Working on 3D animation with LightWave and have an LWL scene file? This is a layout scene file from NewTek LightWave 3D. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these LightWave layout scene files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective LWL file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An LWL file is a scene file created by LightWave 3D's layout module. It does not contain the 3D models themselves, but rather references them, along with lighting, camera positions, and animation data. Users search for this to load and render a complete 3D scene they have previously assembled. The LWL format is a proprietary text-based file that stores scene information as a series of commands and object references. This design separates the scene's layout from the actual 3D object geometry, LWO files, allowing for non-destructive editing and efficient management of complex projects. Your primary troubleshooting tool for LWL should be the specialized LightWave 3D by NewTek. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows can't interpret complete 3D assemblies, so full evaluation requires professional modeling software. To guarantee file access, right-click your LWL file and select Open With. If LightWave 3D is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If the LWL file won't budge, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential, quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in LightWave Layout. Launch LightWave 3D Layout from your installation or download from lightwave3d.com. Use File then Load Scene to open the LWL file. Layout reads the scene, loading all referenced objects, positioning them according to the saved configuration with cameras, lights, and animation timeline ready for editing. Next, locating referenced objects. LWL files reference external LWO object files, which must be available for proper scene loading. Verify object file paths in the LWL configuration, matching your current installation. Use LightWave's Content Manager to organize project files, ensuring all referenced assets travel together when sharing scenes. Finally, migrating to modern versions. For older LWL files, open them in current LightWave versions, which generally maintain backwards compatibility. Save the scene in the current format, ensuring future accessibility. Address any deprecated features or shader changes that may affect scene rendering during the migration to current LightWave versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.